Layers. Layers are a powerful tool for managing your garden plan. To understand layers and the superimposition of surfaces, you need to visualize each surface as if it were drawn on transparent paper. The layer is the transparent paper, and surfaces are grouped by layer according to the logic that suits you. Grouping surfaces and plants by layer offers the following advantages. It allows you to organize the colors of surfaces without plants. You can select a layer to view all the surfaces associated with it and take advantage of the multi-select options. Tisanji calculates the sum of surface areas associated with a layer. A volume calculator can then be used to estimate the quantity of materials required. For example, the volume of gravel needed to fill pathways, or the quantity of mulch or compost to be purchased. You can lock a layer if you don't want to be able to move its surfaces. When you finish drawing your structures, such as buildings, fences, and paths, it's a good idea to lock them to avoid accidentally snagging or modifying them. You can also press the I to hide or show layers, a bit like removing or putting transparent paper back into the stack. Surfaces and layers are shown stacked from bottom to top. It's the stacking order that controls visibility in our garden. It's easy to move the stacking order by using the small dots to the left of the surface or layer names. When a new surface is added, it is created in the active layer, provided that this layer is visible and unlocked. If this is not the case, Tisanji will create a new layer for your new surface. The active layer can be identified by its green color. There are several ways of activating a layer. Selecting a layer surface, selecting the target of the layer or of a surface containing it, selecting the points of adhesion to the left of the layer. You can also move all surfaces from one layer to another. To do so, click on the target next to the layer name, then on the Move to Another Layer icon in the context menu. It's also possible to draw all surfaces on the same layer and not bother with this feature.